Hey there, are you a mobile mechanic or a shop owner? Do you want to simplify your work and get more profit out of your auto repair business? Then you should definitely try out this software and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. The workflow is a breeze. Start with building an estimate for the parts and labor required. Send that via email to the client for approval. Once approved, assign the work to a technician or yourself, start a counter to track your labor time, and notify your client of the progress via SMS. When the work is done, close the job card and send a notification to your client that their car is ready. Are you mobile? No problem. This software comes with a mobile app and features such as VIN decoding, license plate reading, and signature recording. So you can now repair cars anywhere you are and invoice your client on the spot. And the best part is, you won't have to pay a fortune for it, which is something that always gets my attention. So go ahead, try it out, and start running your business the way you've always wanted.